welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting because it is Riley's birthday vlog. We are celebrating her birthday today, even though it's not until like 2 weeks from now. Anyways, we're celebrating it right now and we have a lot of family members over, so I can't wait to share with you guys.
One sister in Florida to Rambo, all girls. The other one go, baby, go. Like this. Stuff is the boy.
Hey guys, so we just got back from my mom's. It is pretty late, but we managed to put all of her birthday presents away, keep it organized, because it is a bit messy over here with all of Miguel's stuff lying around. But we managed to do all of that. And I just wanted to take the time to thank everybody for coming over. I really appreciate it, and it just shows a lot of love and support for Riley. I can't believe she's almost 1. Literally a year ago, you guys, I couldn't even fathom myself being the way that I am right now. I was super scared, and I've always said this, super scared of being a mom and not being adequate enough, that now I wish I could go back in time and tell myself, snap out of it, you're going to be fine. A year ago, I was definitely scared and I just didn't know what to do. So I wish I could go back in time and tell myself that I would be okay. But anyways, I am super happy. Everything turned out great. I did try to DIY everything, well, mostly everything. Saying I DIY'd most of the items on her dessert table, and I thoroughly enjoyed making it, even though I am no Martha Stewart or Julia Childs, because some turned out great and others were a bit questionable. But like I said, I had a great time making them. I wanted to make her first birthday memorable, not just for her, but for everyone. And I think we definitely achieved that without breaking the bank. Sometimes birthday parties can be very expensive, and that's something that we did not want to do for her first birthday, at least. Maybe in the future we'll throw something huge for her or something. But for right now, since she can't remember, we just called our family members. They came over, we had a little barbecue buffet style birthday, and we had a great time, and that's all that matters. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!